We're really excited to launch our new OVVIO shafts for drivers and fairway woods. What's special about OVVIO is that it removes all doubt. We've used all this gears data to create all these profiles to help players play their very best. The benefit of gears being able to measure the dynamic movement of the shaft is that data actually helps us understand how to build different profiles for different types of players, and it helps us to build profiles that nobody else has ever been able to build or tried to build. These shafts are made as consistent as possible thanks to filament winding, and we're using gears to make sure that you get the shaft that matches how you swing the club to give you the best performance. It's 100% seamless. OVVIO means obvious in Italian, because obviously you wouldn't want anything to get in the way of your best performance. What's great about OVVIO is that you don't need to know or figure out on your own which profile is best for you. You just need to go get on a gear system. The gear system will tell you where you're actually scissoring the club, where the grip speed starts to slow down, the club head speed starts to speed up. And it'll match up that profile perfectly to you to give you the shape that you're after and give you the most speed possible.